So today we are going to see about the next task of the conditional operators. So conditional operator is a shorthand form of if-else statement. It is a shorthand form of if-else statement. It evaluates a condition and returns one of the two values and depending on whether the condition is true or false. So it is also known as a ternary operators. So here the types of and see this is relational and logical and ternary operators. So this mainly enforces the decision making evaluation conditions. So this makes the code very simplification. So in basic we have used three types of codes that are relational, logicals and ternary operators. So we have used the input data and the condition checks and the increment operations. So simultaneously the three options will be held here. So the condition operators provides a compact way to make operators which enhances operators for making the decisions. And it also, instead of writing if else statement, we'll just evaluate the condition and assign a value based on the result. So the syntax of conditional operators is, first we are just going to check the condition, and next is expression 1 and this is expressions 2. So the conditional operators, the first evaluates the condition, whether the condition is true, the first expression is selected, otherwise the second expression is selected. This operator is widely used in simple decision making tasks and improves the code readability. So the conditions, the expressions will returns when condition is true. This expression returns when the condition is false. So the purpose of common operators is the conditional, those operators evaluates the condition and true, which executes the first expression and execute the second expression. So here the straight lines of the code just makes the shorter and easier and to understand and more efficient when handling the simple transactions here. So here we have used the logical operators like logical and, logical not and logical or. So logical and which checks the condition if both conditions are true, or statement if at least one condition is true, then the whole statement will be the program is executed. So the not statements that reverse the truth value of the conditions. So this operators combines the multiple conditions for complex decision making. So let us see highlights the how they simplify the nested conditions, making code more readable and efficient. So here we are producing the age is 20 and mark is 75. So at the same time for the admission, so the age also it simultaneously checks the both the conditions. So age also it checks, it should be in above greater than 18, and the mark also it should be greater than 70. So the candidate is eligible for admission. So this is the ternary operators. So here this uses the provides the compact way to write the conditional expressions. Here the function of that is a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. So here which represents the int maximum, that is checks the condition, that is a is greater than b. Yes, is a is greater than b. The condition is true. So the if a and b, that is 10 is to 5. It's greater maximum 10. The expression is the 1 is true. So that returns the expression 1 is true. If if it is suppose the a is will be the 15, then the condition will be moved on to the expression 2. Then expression 2 will be it will be true. So next is nested conditional operator. So here nested conditional operator, a single line syntax, it uses a multiple lines. So the ternary operators into the another ternary, so very complex decision making. It can reduce the readability and harder to debug and consider if else for complex logics. So this is also used for choose the right construct, improves the program and readability and maintainability. So the conditional operators is convince the users if else statements prefer the complex conditions which involving the multiple statements, and chooses the right information constructs to improve the more readability. So here it's also used for the more maintainability. So next we are going to see about the what are the things which are the avoid in conditional operator. So mixed data types, operator prescripts missing colons, missing parentheses. So this is the main, because it's a structural language, so you have to maintain the parentheses and semicolons and it's perfect. So the key points which take away is the conditional operators makes programs concise and elegant. It helps programs to write cleaner code. So it's very readable. So finding maximum of 2 numbers. Grading system, it uses in grading system, menu driven applications, age eligibility and calculator programs. These are some of the applications we have used in conditional operators. Thank you.